shrimp guy. I'm here today to show you how to cook barbecue shrimp with my base. First, you take about 10 large shrimp, shell on, head on, then put in the pan. You just take 1 large kitchen spoon of my base. 1 large kitchen spoon of the base. Turn the fire on high and about 1/3 cup of water just to cook the shrimp. So at this point, we're just gonna move it around. I'm gonna reduce the water out of here, and when the water's gone, basically you're gonna have base and cooked shrimp in here. So I'm gonna wait till we do that, and then I'll tell you the next step. All right, now the water's all reduced out of here, and all you have is cooked shrimp and base. Take it off the heat. Take it off the heat. You just add butter. At this point, you turn on your French bread, your toaster oven, and just add butter to this, and it'll be ready in minutes. So the whole process takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can eat barbecue shrimp in no time. So as soon as this butter melts, we're ready to go. It was almost a stick, maybe 3/4 of a stick for this amount of shrimp. Getting there. As soon as that melts, we're ready to go. Warming our French bread. So this is just traditional barbecue shrimp. New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. Everything out there. Alrighty. I got my little scraper here. On the wrong end here. But get all that juice. That's the best part here. That's for your French bread. Here we go. Let me push this in here. And little green onions. Green onions to top it. And get you some French bread. 15 minutes, you can eat barbecue shrimp.